In this video, I will show you how to launch your workspace. So let me go to WorkSpaces. I don't have any workspace right now, so we don't see anything here. So let me launch workspace. Now there are various steps. Step 1 is select directory. Step 2 is identify users. Step 3 is select bundles. Step 4 is workspace configuration, where we configure run mode. And finally we review and launch. So directory is cloudmanthan.com, which I have created this earlier. Click on next step. Now here you can add users. Now I'm going to add a user, Amod 4 Kadam 4, and I'm going to specify my email ID, and I say create users. So this user will be created inside our directory, and if you want you can also see all the users which are there in the directory. Now I have additional users, Amod.Kadam, Amod2.Kadam2 and so on. So if you want you can also select those users and create workspaces for those users. So I'm going to proceed further. Next step is where I need to select the bundle. Now bundle is nothing but the combination of compute, CPU, memory, disk space, and what is the OS. So you will see Linux as well as Windows options are available, and you will notice you have Office 2016 as well. So if someone wants Office 2016, then you can select this bundle. I'm going to use standard with Windows 10. This is also for the free tier eligible. Scroll down and I see many options. Now you can assign only one workspace to the user, so I've selected that already. And you will see here username Amod4 Kadam 4 and the bundle is Windows 10. So let me go to next step. Now next step is where we configure run mode. By default it selects auto stop. Auto stop is built by the R, and workspaces start automatically when you log in and stops when no longer being used. Now this is very handy when you don't want your workspace to be running continuously. You can also set the timer like auto stop time. Now here it is 1 hour. So after 1 hour of inactivity, your workspace will actually going into stop state. The another option is always on. So if you want instant access to always running workspace, then you can use that. And this predominantly decides the billing option. So if you go for always on, you will be billed monthly, and in the auto stop you will be billed by the hour. So I choose auto stop. Encryption also we have seen earlier. So you can encrypt your data volume. So I don't want any encryption right now because this is just for demonstration purpose. Tags is very handy. Let's say I want to put a tag saying that this workspace is used by department HR. So this is very handy when you are doing some kind of cost analysis. So when you are doing cost analysis, you can use something known as AWS Cost Explorer and say that show me all the costs related to tag equal to department equal to HR. Then I proceed further with next step, and you will see this is the final screen where you see your username and also the associated bundle and so on. So let me launch my workspace. So my launching workspace, it will take around 20 minutes until it becomes available. So you'll see it is giving you workspace ID, username, and running mode is auto stop and status is pending. So I'm going to pause my video and I will come back after some time when my workspace is ready. After around 20 minutes, I do see that my workspace is in available state. And you see some additional details like compute standard, root volume, user volume, and so on. So that's it. So it is very simple to launch workspace, and then I will show you how to connect to workspace in the next video. Thanks for watching.